Okay, chapter 3, day 3. What we're looking at is how do we make box plots? We've made stem and leaves, we've made histograms. Now how do we make box plots? Okay? Some of you might have called it a box and whisker plot in the past. Well, you need the 5-number summary. All right? So just like we saw in the movie, they use this 5-number summary to make the box plot. You have to get it. The good news is we're going to use our calculator to get us the 5-number summary. The 5-number summary is the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the maximum. Those are the 5 numbers that make up the 5-number summary. And then what you do is you draw a number line, and above the number where it belongs on the number line, you mark the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the max. And then you box Q1 to Q3, and then whisker from the center out to the maximum and the minimum. You might hear it called sometimes a box and whisker plot. It's all the same thing. So let's take a look. I have data that we took of people's forearms in centimeters. So here's the forearm data, and I want to make a box plot of this. Well, I need to get it into the calculator. So let's look at how to use the calculator. So if you pull up your calculator, we have to be able to put the data in. So right here on the calculator is the stat button. You're going to hit stat, and then you're going to hit enter. Now, if there's data already in there, what you're going to do is you're going to use these arrow keys and you're going to go up, hit clear, and then go back down, and it will clear out that list. Okay? So now I'm going to take the data from this and put it into the list. All right, so 23, 21, 25, and 20. So I go back to my calculator. 23, 21, 25, and 20. Where are the next numbers? 23, 27, 30, 27. So I go 23, enter, 27, enter, 30, enter, 27, enter. 24, 28, 26 are my last 3 numbers. So I go 24, enter, 28, enter, 26, enter. And that's how you get the data into your calculator. So once the data is in there, you're going to press the stat button, then the sideways arrow, so calc is highlighted. Choose option 1, which is 1 variable stats. So you're going to press the stat button, and then you see in the top where it says calc, you're just going to move this arrow over so calc is highlighted. Option 1 is 1 variable stats, so hit enter. And then it says, hey, where's the data? List 1, that's always where we're going to have our data. So I'm just going to hit enter a couple times until it gives me my answer. Now this information that it gives to me is not the 5-number summary yet. I have to use the down arrow and hit it a few times until I see the 5-number summary, which is the minimum, the Q1, the median, the Q3, and the maximum. So our calculator gives that to us. I'm going to transfer that to my paper. And there's my minimum, my Q1, my median, my Q3, and my maximum. I'm just reading that off of my calculator. So now I have to draw my box plot. I have to first draw a number line. Well, my lowest number was 20 and my highest number is 30, so I'm just going to go up by 1s. You can go up by whatever numbers work for you, it doesn't matter. But now what I do is I draw a vertical line at each of these spots hovering above the number line. So a minimum of 20, so come up above the number 20, make a line. I have to make a line at 23, that's my Q1, 25, 27, and 30. Now again, this is a box and whisker. So from Q1 to Q3, we're going to box in. And then we whisker from the center to the min, the center to the max. And I need a label. This is forearm. And we measured this in centimeters. And now I have a complete and accurate drawing. I really should label these min, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. And that's how you're going to take your calculator and make a box plot.